What products should you be selling April 2026 to make your first $500 to $1,000? Listen, I'm going to answer that question and share with you guys some products that actually are building in momentum towards the end of this month that you can take into April. And if you're somebody out there that is looking to learn how to buy products or even just source, we have all these products available at wesply.com. But let's say you're somebody that doesn't want to get them from me. Get these products from anywhere you choose, the same type of style, and you'll be able to maximize your profit. Let's get started. We have the McDonald's Labubu, and this Labubu was not one of the best selling in January, but it started picking up momentum towards the end of February. Now, this product right here costs less than $9, but it sells for around $40 to $35, and you actually can get people on platforms to buy this, such as Poshmark, Mercari, OfferUp, Facebook, and of course eBay. We've been able to see a bunch of improvements in sales, especially with the special Labubus over the original Have a Seat Labubus. So the Have a Seat Labubus are the originals. It's the ones in the brown box. I honestly stopped sourcing them as much. Selling the theme Pop Mark dolls can pick up and bring you more traction, especially because people like products that they can relate to. Think about the Lilo and Stitch. If you have a Five Below near you, about probably 3 weeks ago, they were selling a bunch of Lilo and Stitch items. And the reason is because Lilo and Stitch have been popular. See, products tend to go with trends and they will print different faces on these products to get people to buy. And this just happens to be another way you can build momentum on your stores. The next product that we're going to talk about is going to be a oldie but goodie, which is the MagSafe wireless charger. This is really good, especially for people that don't want to have a battery pack on their phone. We have been able to sell around 43 units. This is actually one of the highest months this year. January, we were around 20. This is 43 on our personal store, eBay and Poshmark. Now, we bundled these. These cost less than $7, and we're able to sell these for anywhere between $12.50 to $15. Now, it really is about the packaging. You can see that we have this little arrow, the green arrow, and also no Apple logo, but still all of the signage needed to make people feel like this is an expensive and also high quality item. Now, this is OEM, and this is safe for you to list on platforms like eBay as well. So we're able to take advantage of that. Now, next, we have this smart car sensing charger. Now, I actually have been selling this probably since 2023. I stopped selling it. And the reason I stopped selling it is because it actually lost traction. It wasn't picking up sales. It actually started to die around August last year. But what we have seen is this has begun picking up traction, and it is due to people getting geared up for those road trips, okay? Now, the way this charger actually comes, or this car holder slash charger comes, is just like this in a plastic bag, nicely assembled, but it looks just like this. You then have the charger, and you have the rolling ball that connects to the back of here, where you can actually hook it up onto the vents in your car. This automatically opens and closes on the phone that you place on it. A lot of people will recognize this from TikTok, and we've been able to really get some good sales. We've sold around 15 units this week on a personal platform and have been able to make $15 per unit. That is a good price for this simple charger. And I will tell you this, it's not about lowballing and trying to meet competition with this. So if you do try to list these, you'll see there are some that's $8.99, $9.99. Don't go down. There are different variations of this. This is not just plastic. It also has like a leather finish. Not all of the car sensors have the same finishes. And of course, in the wholesale and resale market, especially with tech, there's a bunch of companies that copy each other, but not everyone has the same quality. The game is definitely a copycat league, but you definitely can tell the difference between quality. Now, speaking of quality, one of the winners of this month have been these Icon Q77 headphones that I didn't actually think were going to sell at all. So these are the headphones right here, and these headphones have done wonders. Not only are these headphones extra super duper cheap, we're talking $6, but you can actually sell these, and these do the job the customer wants. They come in this packaging. This is a little charging case, and this case is very simple, nothing too crazy. What I do like about it though, it has a digital display. So the digital display is actually going to show you the percentage of the buds. So let's see if we can do it real quick. So I can literally put the buds in, and if you guys see, it tells you what percentage they are. We were able to actually sell 53 of these, and we've been able to sell them for around $20 to $25. This only cost around $6, and I really enjoy this product, especially when it comes to working B2B and also with consumers. Now, the next product that we're gonna talk about is going to be a newer product that we got. These are the Buds 2 Pros. If you look at this packaging is nice. It comes with a seal, and it tells the customer, don't accept this product if the seal is broke. This gives them a perception that they're buying a product of quality. And I like the fact that it has no Samsung logo, just as much as I like the pods that don't have the logos like these, and also our AirPod 2s, okay? But when you open this up, the packaging is nice. It's very simplistic. I also love the charging case. And then just look at these guys. These look just like the real thing. And if you don't know, go and research Bud 2 Pros. You'll see how much these are worth. We sell these for around $60 to $75. We've been able to sell 23 units within the last 2 weeks. And I know that's not a high number, but we see the momentum building and growing. And the platforms we're selling these on are eBay. Poshmark is killing the game when it comes to them making offers. And we haven't got any takedowns. So not getting our products taken down is really important to us. Now it also comes, and I wanna make this clear, it comes with the manual too. It's just that I took these out. These are a test pair. It comes with a manual too with very detailed instructions on how to actually sell these pods. This is a product that I definitely recommend getting. And again, you can get these for as low as $16, okay? Now, the next product is gonna be the Buds Plus. Oh, no, I forgot something. We still gotta talk about the features. This feature list is insane. So it has bi-directional loudspeaker, active noise cancellation, 5 to 18 hours playtime, but most importantly, these are waterproof. I've never found a clone headset that is waterproof. That's insane. That's the biggest feature I feel like that made me attracted to them. And then yes, we have the Buds Plus. Now, the Buds Plus, guys, it comes with 11 hours playing time, two-way speakers for rich sound, but then here's the biggest feature. The triple mics are really good for clear calls. I've tested this for 2 weeks before listing these. I got these in the beginning of February, okay? And this quality, when it comes to me working out in the gym, is superb. Now, the box, no Samsung logo. The box, beautiful. Everything from the back to the front. And let me show you guys, because I feel like I didn't even show you all the way. Look at this, man. Like, it's just the quality. You could really tell they took pride in it. And then you have the pill, you have the buds, and you have the charger in here, right? And here are the buds, right? So the buds don't come with an LED light like the regular generic ones did, but these are a really fast pairing charging headphones, okay? These pair fast, they charge fast. I love how snug they fit in your ear. Like, these are really good. I actually prefer these when I work out and play ball over my AirPod Gen 2s. So if you can find these headphones, now again, we have the link below, but if you find this somewhere else for lower or cheaper, get it. I'm telling you right now, you'll be able to make a lot of money. We sold, I believe it was 33 units, and we sold these at $80. The highest sale we got, if my recollection is being accurate, I believe is like $85. But the profit margin has always been healthy, and we've been able to really kick butt when it comes to these headphones. So I enjoy selling these, and I think that you guys would too. This is a newer product that I have not came across. And then lastly, we have a partnership that we got in the beginning of the month. Now, we got 2 pairs of headphones, the everyday earbuds and then the gaming headphones. If you guys wanna see the unboxings for these products, including the gaming earbuds, make sure you guys check out my review channel, Is It Worth Flipping, okay? Now, the packaging is really nice. I like that, but I also like the fact that Raycon does the promoting for us. Think about it. If you look up at Raycon earbuds right now, you will see a bunch of promotions, a bunch of sponsors, a bunch of people that are affiliates. We're not affiliates, we're partners, which we are actually licensed to resell these. You have to see how much these are retailing for. They're retailing for around $90 to $100 and something. We sell this for $80. We've been able to move units. Now, this is not a pair of headphones that I feel does anything crazy or spectacular, but I like the packaging. I like how they look. I like everything about this headset. I use one on my own at home. So definitely check these out. Now, guys, I wanted to make this video because I think it's important for us to stop guessing and go into months with momentum. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to catch you guys up with more products that are selling. I do have more shipments coming in, and also as orders continue to progress, I will keep you guys updated on the products that you guys should acquire. And again, it's not just about getting it from me, but I do have my own wholesale website, wesply.com, where all resellers can get products without any resellers permit, business license, or even an EIN. So if you guys are interested and you guys want products, definitely check that out, or go and start searching, guys, get the best price possible and start making money work for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.